Welcome to Yoga Nidra to help connect back to nature. This was filmed live at the Arch Barn, Harewood Holistics. And again, the visual that you're seeing was the yin practice beforehand, before dropping into our Yoga Nidra session. Please excuse my slight slip at the start of the audio recording. I missed the word Yoga Nidra, and then I missed another couple of words. But then we soften and settle into the practice. Hope you enjoy. It means a state of unconscious sleep. It doesn't. It means, sorry. Yoga Nidra. Everyone relaxed? Good. It means instead of an unconscious sleep, it is asleep, if you want to call it sleep at all. It is a conscious sleep. The body is in a complete state of repose, with the nerves relaxed, the muscles relaxed. One is completely relaxed and at rest, but the spirit remains conscious enough to be able to put the vital also at rest, the mind also at rest, and let everything be in a state of peace, quietude, immobility, so that the consciousness may be completely free. And our waking state is unaware of its connection to the subliminal being, although it receives from it without any knowledge of its origin. Our inspirations, our intuitions, ideas, the will suggestions, sense suggestions, and urges to action that arise from below or from behind our limited surface existence. So sleep-like trance, Yoga Nidra, opens the gate of the subliminal, the inner being, to us. For in sleep, as in trance, we retire behind the veil of the limited waking personality, and it is behind this veil that the subliminal has its existence. And the trick with Yoga Nidra is to go deep, but to stay aware. If you do find yourself falling asleep, don't fight it. Just allow yourself to be. I always find that even if people are nodding off, when I say at the end you start to come round, they're instantly back round. So your subconscious is fully aware of what's going on. So even if you're conscious, and this is the whole point, is we drop out of our conscious awareness and we drop into our subconscious, our inner being. And that's what becomes present. That's what controls and activates our waking state from behind the veil. And there will be moments of silence throughout this practice, so please remain at ease. If you do feel the need to move, try and move softly and slowly, as not to disturb the energies too much. Now softening your awareness. No place to be. No thing to do. Just releasing any expectation. And releasing any judgment. And just feeling your body being supported by the surface beneath you. And just starting to drop inside. Noticing all the sensations in your body. Maybe feeling the surface underneath you. The temperature. The texture. Maybe feeling the sensations inside the body. See if you can welcome all the sensations. And welcome your body exactly as it is right now. Just taking a nice steady inhale in through the nose. And releasing. Nice steady inhaling. And releasing. We're just going to set a sankalpa or an intention for our practice. So just silently in your mind's eye, just repeat these words after me. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. We're just going to take a little journey around the body. When I name a part of the body, just hold your awareness there. Just allowing it to be. Starting at the top of the head. The forehead. The left eye. The right eye. Both eyes together. The left ear. The right ear. Both ears together. The throat. The lips. The nose. Back of the head. The nape of your neck. Your left shoulder. Left elbow. Left wrist. Palm of the hand. Back of the hand. Your little finger. The fourth finger. Middle finger. Index finger. The thumb. whole of the left hand, the whole of the left arm, your right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, little finger, fourth finger, middle finger, index finger, the thumb, the whole of the right hand, the whole of the right arm, your chest, the upper abdomen, the navel, the lower abdomen, the left hip, left thigh, left knee, left shin, left ankle, top of the foot, the toes, sole of the foot, the whole left foot, the calf, the hamstring, the whole of the left leg, the right hip, right thigh, right knee, right shin, right ankle, top of the foot, all the toes, sole of the foot, the whole right foot, the calf, the hamstring, the whole of the right leg. The sit bones, the sacrum, the lower back, the mid back, upper back, back of the neck, back of the head, the top of the head, the whole head, the whole left arm, the whole right arm, the whole left leg, the whole right leg, feeling the whole body, the whole body, the whole body resting. Feeling into the natural rhythm of the breath and the way the whole body gently moves with each breath. As you continue to feel the natural rhythm of the breath, notice the 4 phases of the breath. The inhale, any slight pause, the exhale, and any slightly longer pause. Shift your awareness to the exhale. Allow yourself to let go and soften with each exhale. Shifting your awareness to the pause after the exhale. Resting deeply into that pause. And imagining taking a little journey through the woods. You're all wrapped up nice and cozy. Nice warm snug boot. Nice warm coat, scarf, hat. Whatever makes you feel cozy and warm on a cool evening's walk. Walking down the gravel path, feeling the crunch underfoot and the warmth of your breath leaving the body. You'll make your way to a small gate to enter the woods. You feel the sensations change underfoot to a softer, crisper crunch of earth and leaves. It takes your consciousness to the hidden network of mycelium just underfoot. That hidden network which connects all the trees in the woods. That hidden connection that feels what other trees feel. That hidden connection that hears what other trees are saying. That hidden connection that delivers healing and nutrients to all the trees that are in need. Without question, without thought, just the purest of intention. You feel into that connection with each step. You feel how the earth and the trees know you are there with them as you connect to that very same mycelium network with each compression of your feet. You start to take in the smells as the dampness of the earth and leaves rise up to your nose. Feeling those tiny molecules that were just a moment ago resting on the ground move up into your nose, through your airways and into your lungs. You envisage the shapes of the lungs and how the bronchioles and alveoli resemble the shapes of the branches and the leaves on the trees. You acknowledge with admiration how the trees are the lungs of the earth herself, clearing toxins from the air and producing life-giving oxygen for you to breathe. you connect to your breath and feel that very same oxygen nourishing and feeding your body on the in-breath and detoxing and cleansing your body on the out-breath. You feel into that symbiotic relationship that you have with the very trees that you walk amongst. You feel into that hidden network of not just mycelium that is underfoot, but that innate hidden connection between all life on Earth as well as the Earth herself. You feel into how, even though the illusion of space separates and divides us, there is a hidden network binding us all together as one. Without question, without thought, just the purest of intention. How can you be separate from nature when you are nothing but nature itself? And just return into the Sankalpa. And just repeating these words silently after me in your mind's eye. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. I am nature. I am free. I am connected to all. And bringing the awareness to the space around your body. Bringing awareness to your position in the room. Bringing awareness to what is in this space around you. Just giving the toes a nice gentle. Give the fingers a nice gentle wiggle. Nice release of the jaw. Just allowing your head to roll off to the left. Bringing it back to center. And off over to the right. Then it comes back to the middle. Take a nice inhale. Stretch the arms up overhead. Taking a nice long stretch. Tips the fingers all the way down to the tips of the toes. Stretch, 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 stretch. Placing the right hand on the belly. Bring the right knee in towards the body and rolling off to the left side. Just taking a moment just to come back to the body, come back to the breath, come back to the mind. All coming up to sit. When you're ready, just finding your way up to a comfortable seated position. Just bringing the hands to heart center. And down your bed. Thank you. Well done. Don't have to put anything away, you can just sneak off and it will be taken care of.